Imagine stepping into a forest where the oldest, tallest trees stand at the edge, not the center. Instead of giants hidden deep within, they form a protective ring, while the heart of the forest is filled with saplings and young trees. This isn't a fantasy. It's a real, rare phenomenon that flips our expectations upside down. As you walk inward, the trees shrink in size and age, and the atmosphere shifts from ancient shade to youthful brightness. Why would a forest grow this way? The answer challenges everything we know about nature's rules. In most forests, the strongest trees dominate the center, but here, the logic is reversed. Unique environmental forces have rewritten the script, creating a living puzzle for scientists. Exploring this place is more than a walk. It's a lesson in humility and adaptability. Nature doesn't always follow our rules. It's full of surprises and beautiful exceptions. This forest is a testament to nature's creativity, shaped by hidden forces beneath the soil and in the air. It invites us to look closer, to question what we know, and to listen to the quiet story it tells. Here, the journey isn't toward the heart of age, but toward the source of renewal. The forest's structure is a living reminder that life can thrive in unexpected ways. It's a place where beginnings, not endings, take center stage. Welcome to the forest that grows backward. Your journey begins at the forest's edge, among towering elders, ancient trees with massive trunks and bark etched by centuries. Their canopies form a dense ceiling, barely letting sunlight through, creating a cool, cathedral-like atmosphere. These giants are more than trees. They're living monuments, home to countless creatures. Their roots anchor them against storms and draw deeply from the richest soil. Year after year, they shed leaves and branches, feeding the forest floor and starting a chain of life. It's easy to assume the whole forest is this ancient, but here, the edge is just the beginning. The giants are gatekeepers, not the heart of the story. To uncover the forest's secret, you must leave these elders behind and venture inward. The true mystery lies past this ring of guardians, where the rules of nature seem to reverse. The outer ring's giants are the foundation, but not the climax. They mark the start of a journey through time, not its end. As you step away from their shade, you move toward a world that grows younger with every step. The forest's story is just beginning. What lies ahead will challenge everything you expect from a woodland. Moving past the ancient giants, the forest transforms. The path narrows, the trees become slimmer and younger, and the air grows warmer and brighter. The dense canopy thins, letting in more sunlight and encouraging a lush understory of ferns and shrubs. Here, trees are in their prime, vigorous, ambitious, and competing fiercely for light. This middle zone is alive with energy, a stark contrast to the stoic elders at the edge. It's a living snapshot of adolescence in the tree world. Each step inward is a step backward in time, toward the forest's origin. The heart of this forest isn't its oldest part, but its youngest. This reversal challenges our sense of space and time in nature. Instead of walking deeper into age, you're moving toward the forest's beginning. The forest lays out its life story in reverse, from ancient to newborn. It's a powerful lesson in perspective, reminding us that nature's patterns are not always what they seem. Here, the journey is a walk along a timeline, not just a trail. The forest invites you to see growth and age from a new angle. Its story unfolds backward, revealing the secrets of renewal at its core. At the center, you find not a grand clearing, but a dense nursery of saplings. Young trees crowd together, reaching for sunlight in a harsh, open environment. The ground is rocky and bare, the air warm and dry, a tough place for new life. These saplings are pioneers, the first generation in a slow outward march. Their struggle shapes the future of the forest. As they grow, their roots break down rock, and their leaves slowly build new soil. Over decades, they create the conditions for the next generation to thrive. The forest expands outward from this core, each ring older than the last. The heart is not the oldest, but the newest, a place of constant renewal. Here, you see the forest's true engine, resilience and adaptation. The story is one of beginnings, not endings. The sapling's survival ensures the forest's future. In this nursery, the cycle of life starts again. What causes this reverse growth? The answer lies beneath your feet. In this forest, the richest soil is at the edge, not the center. Geological forces, like uplift and erosion, strip nutrients from the center, depositing them at the periphery. The center is left with thin, rocky soil, while the outer ring enjoys deep, fertile earth. Trees simply follow the nutrients, thriving where the soil is best. Sometimes the center began as a barren crater or rocky outcrop, colonized by hardy pioneers. Over time, organic matter moves outward, enriching the edges. The forest structure is a direct response to this hidden landscape. The giants at the edge aren't there by chance. They're there because the soil supports their growth. The saplings in the center are tough survivors, making do with what little they have. The forest's strange pattern is nature's logical answer to an unusual environment. The secret is in the soil. The forest's story is written in a nutrient gradient, a slope of fertility. The center's poor soil supports only the hardiest pioneers. As you move outward, the soil grows richer, supporting larger, older trees. Rain and gravity wash nutrients from the center to the edge, creating a slow cascade of life. Each generation adds organic matter, enriching the soil further out. The oldest trees thrive at the periphery, where centuries of nutrients have accumulated. Soil samples would reveal this timeline: thin and rocky at the core, deep and loamy at the edge. This gradient shapes not just the trees, but the entire ecosystem. Different plants, animals, and fungi thrive in each zone, adapted to the resources available. The forest is a series of interconnected ecosystems, arranged along this invisible slope. Its structure is a living map of time, nutrients, and adaptation. The flow of life is always outward. Life in this forest demands adaptation. In the harsh center, pioneer trees have deep roots and resilient seeds, able to survive where others can't. Moving outward, competition shifts from survival to a race for sunlight. Middle zone trees grow tall and fast, while the outer giants stabilize soil and create microclimates. The outer ring's ancient trees are ecosystem engineers, supporting a web of life above and below ground. Their roots prevent erosion, and their canopies shelter smaller plants and animals. Underground, they connect through fungal networks, sharing resources and information. This structure also buffers the forest against fire and disease, separating age classes and creating natural barriers. The reverse design isn't just strange, it's a clever survival strategy. Each zone plays a role in the forest's resilience. The forest's unique dance of adaptation ensures its survival through change. Here, every tree is part of a larger living system. This backward forest offers a new way to think about growth and success. The smallest sapling in the center is as vital as the giant at the edge, each thriving in its own context. The forest structure is the result of slow, patient processes over thousands of years. The giants exist only because of generations of pioneers at the core. It's a powerful metaphor. Progress is built on unseen foundations. Nature's patterns are full of exceptions, reminding us to stay curious and humble. The forest is a living lesson in renewal. Its heart is a nursery, always beginning again. Even in harsh conditions, life finds a way to start anew. The cycle of expansion and regeneration never ends. The oldest edge exists only because of constant new beginnings at the center. Growth is a continuous, interconnected cycle. As our journey ends, the backward forest leaves us with wonder and questions. It's a living paradox, shaped by geology, biology, and time. Nature's rules are flexible. Every exception is a testament to creativity and adaptation. The forest challenges our assumptions, inviting us to see the world from a new perspective. Its story is written in slow processes and hidden forces. To understand it, we must look deeper, beneath the surface, across centuries. The backward forest teaches us to ask why, to appreciate complexity, and to stay curious. It's more than trees, it's a teacher of resilience and interconnectedness. The harshest places can be the source of new life. Sometimes, the greatest mysteries are right under our feet, in nature's unwritten rules.